Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again, or you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.